everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and I hope you are having a great end of the year and 2019 is going to be your year. Hey, you know, everybody needs a little something good to happen for them, and I'm hoping 2019 is going to be your year. Now, this is a new video for me. Usually at the end of the year, I make a post of all the places that I've gone throughout the year and put it up on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Usually that's about it. But this year, I decided I'm going to add a little video to go with it. So you can watch it here on YouTube, and then of course you can follow to get the complete list over at rvjedeye.com. You know, it was a great year for me for 2018. I got to see a lot of different places, got to do a lot of different things. And this will show you some of the places that I really liked. And hopefully maybe when you get a chance to get out there, you might stop at some of them. Now, in the past, my tradition had always been I was going to go out twice a month and usually short trips and then mix in a couple of long ones. Last year, or 2018, I made a change. I decided to go out less, but to go out longer. So instead of going out for a 3-day weekend, I was able to work out some vacation and stretch it out into maybe a week. So maybe I stayed 4 days at one place and then hopped over to another, or stayed the entire time at one location. So I didn't get out as much. However, I did get to stay at some pretty cool places a little bit longer. So the overall list is a little shorter than years past, but I still think the top rankings will be something that you could use as you decide what you want to do in 2019. So without further ado, let's get to the list, starting with number 9.
Jenny Springs holds the 9th spot. It's not the right park for everyone, but still, it has water, and so that gets it on the list. Number 8 may surprise you a little bit. It's the Cracker Barrel parking lot, Gainesville, Florida. My first overnight in a parking lot, and it turned out to be pretty good.
Food was great as usual. The spot behind was nice, and you know, other than some road traffic which sounded like the ocean, everything turned out to be good.
Coming in at number 7, Gilcrest Blue Springs State Park. Aw, buddy, water, water, water. That's what it's all about.
Okay, so I'm here at the water, and it's been raining over the last couple of days. Today it's not too rainy, and everybody is out having a good time. Hopefully I can get some space in the water as well.
At 6, we have Lake Griffin State Park. This is one of those cool little state parks that shows up in the middle of a urban area, but turned out to be a pretty nice stop.
All right, so this is what I'm talking about, being in an urban environment and right next to, you know, kind of the road. Here behind me, see, that's a major road, but right over here, that's the state park. So you can get some walking, hiking, relaxing there, all from the road right there.
Oelwein State Park drops in at number 5, a beautiful park to get your camp on, and a place that has a lot of good hiking trails.
Again, another great reason why I love hiking in state parks. You get to see nature, you get to see some really beautiful scenery. This bridge is gorgeous, and just a nice part of a big hike.
Straight to number 4 with a bang, Fred Gannon Rocky Bayou State Park. Now this is in the western part of Florida. I got to see it before Hurricane Michael, and it was absolutely fantastic.
This is what makes hiking so special. Discovering these kind of things. I'm wondering if there's some place that you can swim in here, but regardless, this is just beautiful to look at.
In the 3rd spot, one of the funkiest places on the list this year, the Florida Cavern State Park in Marianna, Florida. Absolutely fantastic. Again, I saw this place before Hurricane Michael. It is a beautiful spot. Make sure you find a way to get there if you can, once it's all set up and ready to go again.
You can see over there, that is the swamp where the turtle is hanging out. The I guess the new Dagobah for those Star Wars geeks like me. It's pretty cool, all just on a hike right here at Swanee River.
Number 2 on the big list, Swanee River State Park. Now this is a park that was so close to being number 1, and quite honestly, I love it almost as much as number 1. Check it out if you get a chance, Swanee River State Park. And that means the top RVJedeye spot for 2018, we have to go across the border to Georgia and Seminole State Park. An absolutely fantastic park. Stayed there for a couple of days. Great hiking, a beautiful place to be. This is the number 1 spot for RVJedeye in 2018.
So there you have it. The year 2018, the top RVJedeye spots. I hope you liked them. You know what? I have always remembered that I really like RVing in Georgia. I've got to do more of that in 2019. So that I am going to put on my list. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are having a happy and safe New Year's, and that 2019 brings you all the magic and love that you guys want. I hope you continue to watch us, because this is the last video of Season 3 of the New Adventures of RVJedeye. Season 4 is just around the corner with lots of new surprises and some great trips planned for 2019.
And as usual, don't forget to follow me on social media at RVJedeye everywhere, and then on my blog at RVJedeye.com.
Again, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great year. And you know what? Let's come on back and do this soon. Woo!